Absolutely. I was not expecting this. It's not just a nice road, but it's got the stunning rock formations and everything, and the cliff on the other side makes it real interesting.
Adventure guy in the front. Then we got Ty from Tennessee right behind me. Hi, Ty. And then we got Mr. Bodine 52 in the 3 slot on his beautiful 2024. And then we got Harley Dayrider, the legend, the myth, the miracle man, Jack on his lovely 2018 Road Glide Ultra.
Howdy.
And then we got Bronco Ride, the mystery man himself, back there on his, what, a 2017, right? Street Glide.
It would be a 2017, yes.
Okay. All right. Look at that. I remembered stuff. Me brain good. Me brain good. And he's on, definitely, probably, I think we all agree, the prettiest Harley color that has ever come out. That blue is amazing.
And it's a pretty paint.
Yep, it's a pretty paint.
And it's got a stage 14.
Oh, yeah, stage 14. I rode it yesterday. Ooh, man. I got off it and I thought my cojones were larger.
That's why we always ask Colin to sweep, because when he's in the lead, you can't catch him. That's right.
That's right.
You can't.
What are you talking about? We were on the freeway yesterday. We were just riding normal highway speeds. I don't understand what you're talking about.
Yeah.
And it happened to have a 9 in front of it. So. This is the one that's got all the American flags? I thought they did. I don't.
Yeah. So it's right around the bend here when we get into the actual little town of Stanton. Yeah. I love the bricks, and it's interesting because the brick company's right up the street, so it makes sense why the houses are made out of brick here. I wonder if that's where Rick James got the idea for the song "She's a Brick House." Huh.
Yeah, that's what it was.
That's what it was. Yeah, there it is. The inspiration for the song. So right here we got America. That's probably what Bob's saying in his own helmet right now. America.
Yeah, he stole that from me. He even told me last night.
Yeah, no, he said that to me too. He's like, I actually stole it from Colin. I'm like, really? He's like, yeah, it sounded good.
I used to do that all the time. America.
America.
I'm like, I don't care.
It's not a tunnel. Well, it could be the Eye of the Tiger. Oh wait, that's a song. Three. I'm clipping lanes. All right. There's the tunnel. Guess. Oh, this is fantastic, man. Well, I got my sunglasses on too. You know why? Because they're transitions. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, I can't. So, all right, rev your engine. Did you hear that? Yeah, rev your engines, you buggers. You're hard Harleys. Hey. Woo. Yeah. That was cool, huh? Oh, downshift. This is a little steeper than it looks like. Brake in pavement. Bump. Oh, well, that wasn't bad. It's all nice and... Oh, they're repaving this thing. This is awesome. What was that? Oh. Sink. Like, what the hell are you doing? Oof. Oh. Yeah. Oh, okay, I gotcha. right, we are in the Daniel Boone National Forest, and it is stunning here. Man. As we headed up through the Daniel Boone National Forest, one thing you gotta know is these roads are very narrow, as you'll see here in a second. Don't ride that center line, or you might become a pancake. The road is beautiful, but as you can see there, that it's very tight. You need to be on your toes when going through here, but going up to the natural stone bridge in itself is such a reward that you should not miss this road. It is a great road to ride. It is fun, twisty, not too challenging, but when you have your buddies with you, it's just fantastic. YouTube is in their natural habitat. They see a lovely place to park, surrounded by nature, and they take out their cameras and video everything around. And then this guy, he brings out his big camera to make us all look bad. All right, so we are at the Natural Sky Bridge. Whoa, that's a jump. And more people die filming this thing than they actually
right off the bridge.
That's awesome. Ooh. Oh. All right, so we're out here at the Natural Stone Bridge here, walking across it. And if anybody knows me, what you do, I don't do well with heights. There's a drop off there and a drop off there. No, thank you. All right, so this is worth the hike down here. We walked across that. Ah, you're fine. After a great stop at the Natural Stone Bridge, it was time to get back on the bikes and back on the Eye of the Dragon. The Eye of the Dragon consists of 715 and 77, which is through the Nada Tunnel. We had a great time on this road. It is not to be missed. It is a wonderful route. Very minimal traffic. It's not overcrowded. Plenty of pull-offs. Great places to stop. Talk to your friends. Get to Kentucky. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe. Stay tuned to the end of the video and you'll see a little joking going on between me and the boys. I like Typhoon. Typhoon is better than Blue Lagoon.
So Ty is called Typhoon. Pete is called the chef.
How? I don't understand that.
Well, just it's your name now.
Okay, thanks. What are you?
Bob.
Boo Boo.
Boo Boo. Yes, that's right. Boo Boo.
Boo Boo.
Colin is the dork.
Dork, yeah.
And
then
Jack is
the Godfather.
the Godfather. That can't change.
Yeah, can't change at this point. So.
And it shall be done.